Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cosiq Vitamin B3 serum. First, ensure your skin is clean and dry. After cleansing, take a small amount, typically 2 to 3 drops, onto your fingertips. Then, gently pat the serum evenly across your face and neck. This method helps the product absorb effectively without unnecessary rubbing, preparing your skin for the next steps in your routine. For optimal results, incorporate Cosiq Vitamin B3 serum into your routine both morning and night. A pea-sized amount, roughly 0.5 milliliters, is usually sufficient for your entire face and neck. Remember, a little goes a long way with concentrated serums. Give it a minute or two to fully absorb into your skin before moving on to your moisturizer or other treatments. When layering, apply your Cosiq Vitamin B3 serum after any toners, but before your moisturizer. This order ensures maximum penetration and effectiveness. This powerful serum works to visibly minimize enlarged pores and smooth the look of fine lines. Furthermore, it significantly contributes to strengthening your skin's natural barrier, promoting a healthier and more resilient complexion over time. For daytime use, always finish your routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage, especially after using active ingredients. To preserve the serum's effectiveness, store it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Your skin and feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.